Hi guys, today we went to Best Buy and pick up this air fry, and since today is Super Bowl, we don't need our chicken and fries to be fried in oil. So we will try this thing and see how this thing works. Okay, we can open it. How this can open? What's right here? Okay. Ooh, look at this. Okay. Wow. All right. Oh no, something fell out already. Something in this. I don't know what's this. I hope it won't break. Oh, Mama Mia, Mama. I didn't see that. That was on the tab in here. Alright, something fall up in this, and they have more pieces in there. I hope it will not, I hope it's not broken. So, we're gonna get this thing out from this. We're gonna take it slowly. Maybe we put it on the floor or in the chair. Okay. Oh. This is kinda, you just pull this up. Oh, what? Oops. Something more. Ooh. What is this for? I don't know. Oh, here's the instruction. Nothing here. Okay, nothing there. Okay, we're gonna remove this from the box. Oh, we're gonna drop it. Oops. Okay. All right, this is how it looks like. Okay. Oh, they have tape on it, so we need to unwrap this thing. Maybe. I don't know. What's this? Okay, more tape. Okay, so how do you work? So you need to open this thing? I just don't know. Maybe call my husband. Call Daddy! We don't know how to open this thing, so it's kind of oh, my more tape in it. Silly me. That's why it won't open. Oh, there we go. Silly me. Silly. Okay. They have stuff here. They have a tray. Okay. Oops. A tray, small tray. Oh. This is a small tray. Maybe you put it back right here or wherever you like.
This is 2.
That's two in it. Okay, that's 2. Oh, okay. This is really tiny, yeah?
Just put it in there.
Okay. I don't know.
We'll figure it out later.
Oh, there you go. And put it
No,
at top.
below. Like so.
All right. Down here.
No, not just below.
Okay. All right, guys. We don't know how it works, so we just put it there. Another one here. Okay. We just remove the boxes. All right. So a small tray. There we go. And maybe you just put it back right there. There we go. See, we just okay. And here's another one right here. And I don't know what this is for here. But since I am not good at instruction, I will need an assistant later. Someone Oh, look at this. All right, this is another one. What is this for? Oopsie. Okay. All right. Boom. Here we go. I don't know what this is for either. So maybe we will read the instruction and see how this thing works. So guys, this is looks like here. And this is how it looks like here, and you know, oopsie. Alright, see. Chief, what is the name of this thing?
Chef man.
Chef man, yay! Huh. What is this here? What is this for? I thought they have something like this. You need to just push in the bottom. No. Okay. We just close it since I need to read instruction before I break this thing down. Alright guys, see you in a bit before I can use this stuff. I need assistance from my husband. I don't really know how this thing works, but here's the flag over here. I need to unwrap this thing. There are more plastic here to unwrap. Can you hold it, Nak? Because they have more right here to unplug. I mean that. Whoopsie. Whoopsie, there we go. Okay, there's the cord over here that I need to unboxing and unwrap all, and then I will wait. Oh my god, I just tied it up. Oopsie. There you go. Maybe I need a scissor or something. Uh-oh, stuck up. There you go. There we go. And then they have this thing that you can, you know, so that the wire is not all over in your kitchen. They have this a little hook, and a little thing, whatever that thing, like a rubber too. It will not go somewhere. So before we can use this thing, we need to read our instruction menu. Alright guys, so that is all for now, and I don't know where this, maybe this put in there.
I know what.
And this one we just put it back, all the stuff. Just leave it there for a minute. Just leave it there. Leave it, because we don't know how to use this thing. Only this, yeah. So yes, this is how it, this is the stuff all together. Patay na, lagpot na. So yeah, let's read the instruction before we can start using this thing. So bye for now guys.